Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? So for today, I actually want to continue the topic from yesterday, which is to trade with the parabolic SAR, which I want to give a more detailed explanation on how you can actually identify a range market by using the indicator. So again, for those of you who might not notice that the parabolic indicator is actually perfect to trade retracement in range market, and all we need to do is just to spot the right market to trade with. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna use the parabolic indicator to spot a range market and to trade with it, and which I make $150 this morning by trading only 2 trades, and I didn't actually wait in between. So what I mean is that the strategy is really good for range markets, so make sure to take a look at the video later and then get a hand on how you can actually spot range market to trade with by using the parabolic SAR. So before I can get to that, let me quickly answer a question. So the question I have here is that is the parabolic strategy can be used for other time frames? So yes, you can, but for this strategy, you actually need more time for the price to develop into our direction. So if you want to trade with other, time frame, I would suggest you to trade with a 5 minutes option by using the 1 minute chart period. So you get more time for the price to develop. Or if you want to use the 5 minutes chart, and then you should trade with a 30 minutes option. So just play around with it, use different time frame and different option period to see which one works better for you, because I guess everyone should have their own preference. So just play around with it, make some practice, and I'm sure you should be able to get a hand on it. Okay, so let's start the trade for today by using the parabolic SAR. Alright, so same as usual, just let me open the trade first and I will show you how you can do it. Okay, let's wait for a bit, just wait for a bit more. Okay, just place the high here. So the timing for you to place high is pretty simple, and all you need to do is just to pay attention to the dots. So in here, for you to open a high position, first you need to confirm the market is in a range market, and then we just need a blue dot to appear below the candlestick, and then we will open a high position, and just that simple. And later on I will explain it to you on how you can spot a range market. So just keep watching the video, and I'm sure you're gonna get a hand on how to spot the range market. And just a reminder, if you want to trade with other time frames, I would suggest you to trade with the 5 minutes or 10 minutes option if you want to use a 1 minute time frame. So the trade is about to finish, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be end in profit. It's end in profit. And let's do another one. And I'm just gonna stay here because the price, I think the red dot is gonna be appear above the candlestick soon. So just wait for a bit here, and we will open another trade. Okay, so the red dot is appear on top of the candlestick, and then it's a good timing for me to enter the market. So okay, so the purchase timing for you to open low is when, first of course you need to confirm the market is in a range market, and then second you will just take a look at the dots in the parabolic indicator. So if the red dot is appear on top of the candlestick, you will open a low position. So just that simple, and that's all you need to know about the purchase timing by using this indicator. So okay, so now I will. So another thing, again, the way for you to spot a range market, I will explain it to you after I finish these 2 trades. So just keep waiting for a bit more, and the trade is finished, and let's take a look at the history. Okay, 2 trades in a row, and I actually didn't wait much in between trades, and now you see that the first trade I opened it at 144, and I finished at 145, and then right after that at 146 I actually opened another trade. So again, as long as you can spot a range market, this strategy is really powerful. So now let's take a look at how we can spot a range market. So normally you would see me moving back and forth on the charts, and then that's actually when I try to look for a range market. So so now you see in here the relation between the two color dots. So we see that the red dot and the blue dot is quite unbalanced. The number of the two color dots are quite balanced, which I can identify that the market is in a range market. So it is not heading towards to a particular direction. So well, let's move backward a bit, just try to find a sample on trend market for you. So yep, that's a perfect example for trend market. So when the market is in a trend market, the parabolic dots are actually quite extreme. So you see now that the blue dots are a lot more than the red dots. So now we can identify that the market is in an uptrend. So yep, that's pretty much how you can identify trend markets or range market by using the parabolic SAR. So which is pretty simple. All you need to do is just to take a look at the relationship between the two dots. If the proportion is quite balanced, then it should be in a range market. So yep. Okay, so next I will try to set up the charts for you just to show you how you can trade with this indicator. Okay, so alright, so first thing first, we'll go to the technical indicator, just that little guy right there. Okay, click on it, and then we'll select parabolic SAR, just put a little tick right there and open the drop down there. And then for step, we set it to 0.05, and then for max, we set it to 0.1. So again, 0.05 and 0.1, that's all we need for this indicator. And then now we can close the technical indicators window. Yep, just close that window. Right, so the last thing we need to make sure is the chart period and option period. So for today, I traded with 10 seconds chart period, and then with the 1 minute option. So okay, so again, just a reminder for you to when to open position using this strategy. So okay, so first for you to open a high option, first you need to make sure that the market is in a range market. And then the second you need to do is that just to pay attention to the dots. So if a blue dot is appear below the candlestick, we will open a high position. So on the other hand, move on to the timing for you to open low is, well, first again you need to make sure that the market is in a range market, and then if a red dot is appear on top of the candlestick, we will open a low position. Yep, just that simple. And just a last reminder on how you can spot a range market by using the parabolic SAR is just to look at the proportion of the two color dots. So if they are quite balanced, and if the candlestick is not heading towards to a particular direction, then we can identify that the market is in a range market, and then we can use this strategy to aim for profits. So yep, that's pretty much it about the strategy, and that's it for today, and I'm happy to sign off with $150 profit today. Okay, so yep, I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye. Alright, so well, I hope you guys liked the video, and well, I hope you guys like the indicator as well, of course. So make sure to give it a try and see if it works for you. So well, if you do have another way on using this indicator, let me know by putting a comment down there, and then I'll be glad to make some practice on it to see if it works. So I just try to share more strategies with all of you, so that you can find out which one suits you better. So well, if you do have any question, leave me a comment down there, and then I will reply to you as soon as possible. And well, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.